Hello there, I am Marcel, your social media manager from MC Digital Solutions. In this video, we will explore how to design an Instagram post using Canva. Canva is a free online graphic design platform that makes it simple to create and personalize graphics or design. Disclaimer, I am not an expert. I will just share what I know based from my knowledge and experience. So let's go and check out Canva. So first, you need to sign up or log into your Canva account. And once you are logged into your account, you can start designing. As you can see, Canva has free, pro, and enterprise version. Under free, it already has multiple pre-templates and hundreds and thousands of free photos and graphics. You can also invite members to your team. Well, for the pro version, it has a free trial for 30 days, or either you can pay for an annual subscription or a monthly subscription. This one has additional features such as 100 million premium stock photos and videos, audios, and graphics. And there are also additional premium and pre-templates with new designs daily. For this pro account, you have the background remover, and you can also resize design using Magic Resize. Aside from that, you can also schedule social media content to several platforms. While for the enterprise design, this one is mainly for several users, or for those that are using Canva that has a lot of members. This one, you can establish your brand's visual identity with logos, colors, and fonts across multiple brand kits. You can also control your team's access to applications, graphics, colors, and logos and fonts with brand control. Aside from that, it also has built-in workflows to get approval on your designs. We can also set which elements your team can edit and stay on brand with template locking, and it has an additional security features, which is the single sign-on. So let's go and check out Canva. So here's how a Canva homepage looks like. Beside the home button, you can see the templates. Under templates, you can see templates for social media, personal, business, marketing, education, and trending. You can select the specific template that you need. Beside it, you see the feature content for Canva. We have the photos, the icons, the print products, application, explore, and download. So let's take a look at the social media icons. In here, you can see, or you can still filter the content for specifically for the pro. These are the icons for the pro, while these are for the free, available for the Canva free version. So there are already lots of several icons that you can use on your design. And then aside or beside the features is the learn section, or the learn button. In here, you can see that Canva has several courses and tutorials regarding designing Canva or graphic design. In your free time, you can take this training so that you will become more confident in using Canva as a design platform. For today's demo, I'll be using a Canva Pro account, and I'll be designing an Instagram post from scratch. So first, we look for an Instagram post. So either we go here on the templates and then select Instagram post, or either we go here in the search bar and type Instagram post. As you can see, there are already several templates or existing templates that you can use in your design. And then we'll select the blank Instagram post. For Instagram post, the size is 1080 by 1080. So this white color background is the background color of your design. So you can change it by clicking it. You can see that it is highlighted, and then go here at the left hand side and change the background color to your branding design or to your liking. So you can change it to any colors. based on the available colors here on Canva, or you can go here and choose a specific color or adjust the slider so that you can mix the color that you want. For me, I'll be using my brand color, which is the orange one. And then for this design, I'm thinking that I'll be using an element, the cell phone frame. So just go here in the left hand side, and then in the element, I'll type the cell phone frame. Okay, so here, once you see the crown icon, so it means that it is available for free for the Canva Pro users. But for this one, let's try to take a look for the free elements only. So as you can see, it display all the free elements specifically for the cell phone frame. And I think this one looks good. So I'll add it on my design. And to resize the element, you can use, or you can adjust it using the left hand side or the right hand side like this. Because if you will use this one, it will only crop the image. And so to adjust it better, so you just use this one. And then if you want to position it in the middle or in the center, you can easily do that by going here in the position. So for me, I'll just adjust it so that it will become more larger. And this one looks good. So I'll add another element in here regarding social media. So I'll go back again to the elements and then type social media. I think this one looks good. So as you can see, this specific social media element is still customizable. We can still adjust the color to our branding or to your specific color that you want. So for me, that looks good. And then I'll add a box in here in which I will place my title for this design. So I'll go back to element and then look for a search box. This one looks good. This is available for the free version. So just resize it. And then we can also customize this one to your specific color. I'll just use the blue one. And maybe for the black magnifying glass, I'll update it or change it to red. And then I will add a text to add the title of this design. So either I go here, press this text button, or just press the letter T in your keyboard. And then to resize the text, you just resize this, or either you go here on and increase the font size. And then to move that, so just click it and drag it on the position that you like. So I'll update this to my title, which is what is social media. And to change the font style, you just click the text, go here, and then use the specific font according to your branding or to your liking. For me, this looks good. And then I'll just adjust the font style. And as you can see, you can also adjust the text color like that. And then you can still make the text bold or italic, underline. And then if you want, you can also make them all in capital letters or just this way. Maybe I'll just update the color to the black color. And once you are good with the text and this search box, so I suggest that we can set these two elements as groups so that it will be much easier for us to move them together. So just click the first one, the text, and then press the shift in your keyboard and then click the search box, click the group. So as you can see, once we move that element, they will move together. So I think I need to add another box in here, a container in which we can add the social media accounts and the email or the website of your business. So let's go back in the element and then type square for the box. This one looks good. And then position it at the bottom. And I'll be adding the same box at the upper hand side or upper portion of the page. Next, I will go back and search in the elements Facebook logo. This one looks good. And then this Instagram too. I'll update the color to white since the color of the box is already blue. And then I'll take a look for the Twitter logo. And then resize it. So let's say that you're already good with the sizes of the logo. You can add the text specific for your social media handle. Let's say at socials. And then update the color to white and just bring it here. You can also put the email or the website of the business. Let's say it's abc.com. Looks good. And then maybe for the last part, we can add the logo. So if you already have a logo on your local computer, just go here in the upload section, upload media, and then just locate the specific location. But for me, I have a sample logo in here. Just click it so that it will go or move in be copied on your design. Resize it, and specifically for the Canva Pro account, it has the background remover. So just go to edit image and then click this BG remover and wait for the logo to completely finish or the background to be removed and place it in the specific location that you wanted it. So for me, it looks good. It already has the title, the social media handles, the website. You can still add here the email address and then the logo. And actually, you can still add other information that you think is useful for your posting. So for this one, if you wanted to duplicate this same design, you can just click this duplicate page. And if you just wanted to copy the specific background color, the orange one, you can click this one, add page, as you can see. And then to delete it, just click this delete page. Or if you wanted to undo the last action that you have made, you just go here, undo, or press Control C in your keyboard. And to redo it, just Control Shift C in your keyboard or press this forward arrow. Next is you can always rename your design so that it will be much easier for you in the future to look for it. Let's say social media, and then save it in a folder. If you already have a folder, just search it here. Or if you do not have any folder, just create new and then put it in that folder, sample, so that it will be much easier in the future for you to locate this specific social media post. Or if you have like one client and you will be looking for your personal designs, and for the designs that you have made for the client, you can easily locate it since it is contained in a folder. Next, we're going to download this one. So just go here to share, then click download. By default, the two pages will be downloaded if you do not specifically select which page do you want. And since we are using this design as a image for our social media posting, so the file type should be PNG, and as also suggested by Canva. But you can select either PDF or SVG, MP4, or GIF, depending on your needs. So if you are using it as a video, or if you have put an animation to it, so it is highly suggested to download it using MP4 video. So let's download and wait. So you can see it will be on a zip file. So since there are two pages, but for me, what I usually do is I just download it specifically. I just indicate the specific page that I need so that it will not be on a zip file, but it will only be a one file or an image file like that. So it will look like that. And then just to take note that this one, if you hit the download, you can see the size will be listed here. This is an Instagram post, so that is 1080 by 1080. So be mindful of the sizes and the templates that you're using when designing in Canva, because if you select a different size and it is not aligned with the social media post that you are trying to do, so there might be a possibility that the image will be cropped. So that's it. So that's all for today's tutorial, and I hope you learned something from this. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!